There are several sacred things in this world that you don't ever mess with. One of them happens to be another man's fries. Now you remember that, and you'll live a long and healthy life.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Buzz Cooks. Today we're going to do French fries the right way. None of those frozen potatoes for us. We're going to make them from scratch. So I've got 4 russet potatoes that I peeled and I let soak in water for about an hour, get some starch out. Then I'm going to take them out, I'm going to cut the tips off, and then I'm going to square them off. That side's good. And once we got them squared off, we're going to decide what size we want. I personally like what they call steak fries. They're a little bit bigger. So I'm going to cut mine about 3/4 inch. Or a 1/4 inch, I'm sorry. If you like more like fast food fries, just cut them smaller. But once I cut to the size I like, I'm going to put it into a bowl with ice water. And we're going to let those sit in the ice water in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. As I'm cutting the rest of these up, please remember to like, share, subscribe, tell your friends and family about us. I really appreciate it. Hope you're enjoying these videos as much as I am making them. Alright, so we got them all done. We'll pop those in the fridge. An hour later, we're going to come out of the fridge and remove the potatoes and put on paper towel to get as dry as possible because oil and water do not mix. Once I get all the potatoes out, I've got my Dutch oven filled with vegetable oil. And I'm going to bring the first fry, that's right, we're going to fry these twice. The first fry at 275 for between 3 and 5 minutes. Basically, we're just blanching the potatoes. This is what makes them extra crispy. So we'll put the first batch in. And 3 to 5 minutes later, we'll take those out, and then we'll let those rest for 30 to 40 minutes. Actually, you can let them rest even longer if you're having a party later on. You can do this in advance. Put them in a baggie, throw them in the fridge, and they'll be just fine. And if you don't have one of those spiders I have there, those are great for frying anything. They come in 3 different sizes. I'll put a link down below if you're interested in getting one from Amazon. They're not expensive at all, but they come in handy. Alright, so we got the first fry done. We'll let those rest. Now we're going to crank the heat up when we're ready to do the second fry to 400 degrees. You want to hit them fast and hard so they get real crispy. So you put those in, and you're going to leave those in until you get the color that you like. I don't like mine overdone like some people do. I like mine just golden brown. So mine took about 4 to 4.5 minutes. And I pulled them out and they were perfect. That's what I'm looking at right there. So you're going to take them out, drain off the oil, put them into another bowl. And what I like to use is either popcorn salt. If you don't have popcorn salt, you can do what I do is take my salt grinder, put it on the finest setting it has, which is almost a powder, and put that salt right on those fries. Give them a mix. A little bit more salt, mix them up again. And this is so much better than using coarse salt. Serve with a little bit of ketchup if you like, and you're good to go. Homemade crispy fries, crispy on the outside, soft and airy on the inside. Better than any fast food restaurant. All right, thanks for watching. Come back again soon and have a great day.